Hello everybody, this is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we're standing on board a 2025 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard powered boat. This is an in-stock boat that we have here available at our location. We're going to do a quick walkthrough and show you the features that are equipped on this boat. So the 210 SPX was redesigned in 2025. The aft seat cushion here is large and spacious. It does have a backrest for when you're sitting in the boat that doubles as a headrest, or a backrest when you're facing aft and swimming. We do have the white Mercury 200 horsepower engine. This is a V6 4-stroke engine. Very quiet, very fuel efficient, and plenty of power on this boat for cruising out with your family or water skiing and tubing. So really great sun deck. We have this sea deck matting that is throughout. This boat is the stone or gray colored interior throughout. Moving in, we do have an locker here. So this is great little storage. There's storage all over this boat. It's great for like flip-flops, cooler storage, etc. Having the outboard power enables you to have a really large storage compartment in the back of the boat. This is also access to your bilge, and you can put all kinds of beach bags, beach chairs in this. It's on a nice gas assist strut, so it holds it open and it won't slam on your fingers and toes. Sea Ray does such a good job with the social layout. Lots of seating here. This filler cushion is removable. You have an aft facing chase lounge, or this is also a forward facing companion seat. On the helm side, we have a nice captain's chair. Notice how the embroidery and the fabric on this material is just really high quality from Sea Ray. They do a really beautiful job of having a modern looking helm with modern equipment as well. Your Mercury binnacle has built-in active trim and a one-button start-stop button. There's also power supply, cup holders, and courtesy lighting throughout. This boat is equipped with a Simrad multi-function device. That's a flat screen, touch screen navigation chart. Nice color screen. It also gives you depth and battery voltage and engine information. We do have a Fusion Bluetooth AM/FM stereo on the helm here. You notice that the seat has a flip-up bolster. If you want to sit up a little higher, get up over the windshield, and adjustable range for the steering wheel as well. If you look at the forward of this boat, there's bolsters all the way around for comfort of seating, whether you're facing forwards or backwards. And also speakers and grab rails as front as well. On the companion side, there's a large storage compartment, glove box, which is lockable. And then in deck, we have a large ski locker here as well. And when you're looking down at the ski locker, you get a really good look at the sea deck matting that's so popular throughout the boat. And then, of course, we have this Bimini shade, which is deployed. So this gives you great sun coverage for you're out on those hot summer days with the family. It also folds all together, tucks away nice and neatly. So again, this is a Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard power boat. This boat is in stock. It does come with the trailer too. If you'd like to make an appointment, come see this boat. My name is David. We're at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Look us up at the internet. Give us a call. Thank you so much.